Hey y'all, it's Miss Letts. I'm going to show y'all for physical science how you need to do and how you need to submit your portfolio for the PowerPoint presentation, Your Favorite Element. So if we look at Pearson Connexus, what y'all are working in, where you need to start is 2.5.1. So y'all had to do some activities in Edgenuity, but then this is the assignment. Creating a multimedia presentation about your favorite element. So this is going to be the link that you click. So you click that link and it's going to take you to this page right here. So for this assignment, you're going to pick an element on the periodic table. And so there's lots of them that you can pick from. But what you're going to do, you pick your favorite one and then you're going to make a PowerPoint presentation about it. I don't care if y'all do Google Slides and share it with me that way, like a link. You can do PowerPoint, you can do presentation. Just make sure you submit the PowerPoint or you submit the link into the Dropbox. So this is just going to show you what you need to do. So you're going to collect information. So you're going to do some research. So go to Google, go to some other things and look at some websites. So what kind of periodic table information? What are the physical and chemical properties of the element? Among other things, but I'll let y'all read through that. So then it's going to show you, it wants you to create your title slide, and it's going to tell you the other slides that you need to do. And then, so again, before you submit, you're going to be asking yourself, okay, did I include this and this and this and this? But I just wanted to show y'all kind of how you're going to start it. So, they gave you exactly what they want to have and what they want to see in one of the presentations. But I really like bright colors, so I decided I'll do the element neon. So, I've got the name of the element, I've got the symbol and like the tile from the periodic table, and I've got a picture. And then I've got my name, what would be the teacher's name, and I put the due date. So like slide 1, they want you to talk about the periodic table information. So what I'm going to do, I can go to Google and I'm going to click on some of these different websites and I'm going to find information that I need. So I would take notes on these, whether that be on your Chromebook or maybe paper notes. Then you'll be able to come back and then you'll be able to fill in this information. But one thing is really important, please remember to do a works cited. So any website that you use for images, for information, please make sure that you cite that at the end. And that's supposed to be your last slide anyways. So once you get done, you're going to come back to this and then you're going to be able to submit this and then I'll be able to grade it. So if y'all need any help, reach out to me via webmail or my school email. Hope y'all have a good day.